In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom text in Canva. Canva is an incredibly versatile design platform perfect for anyone looking to create striking visuals, from complete beginners to experienced designers. Whether you're crafting presentations, social media posts, or just experimenting creatively, customizing text can bring your design to life. So grab a seat and let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is free and easy, giving you access to a wide range of design tools and templates. Once you're logged in, locate the project button. This is the gateway to choosing the design you're going to work with. After clicking on project, you can either begin a new design or continue working on an existing one. This part is crucial as it sets the foundation for where your custom text will be featured. Next, let's focus on adding text to your design. Direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen and find the text option. It's usually marked by the letter T. Upon clicking it, you'll be presented with three standard options: add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text. These options differ primarily in size and style presets, but they all utilize the same core text box. Choose the one that best fits your design needs and click on it. Now that you've selected your text option, a text box will appear on your design. This is where you get to express your ideas. Type your desired text into this box. Don't worry if it doesn't look exactly like you envisioned just yet. We're about to customize that. After entering your text, click on the text box itself. When you do so, a collection of powerful editing tools will appear at the top of your screen. This toolbar is the key to transforming the look of your text, making it truly yours. Let's start customizing by changing the font. Click on the font name drop-down menu to see Canva's extensive library of fonts. Take your time to browse and select a font that best conveys the mood or theme of your design. Next, we'll adjust the size. Click on the font size drop-down menu. Here, you can either use the plus and minus buttons to incrementally adjust the size, or for more precision, drag the corner handles of the text box itself. This gives you control over how your text fits within your design space. Now let's bring some color into your text by clicking on the color box, often represented by the letter A. This action allows you to select a new color from your personalized palette, helping you align the text visually with your design's color scheme. Lastly, add some flair with simple text effects. Click the Effects button and peruse the variety of effects available, such as shadow, hollow, curve, or glitch. Each effect adds a distinct character to your text, helping you achieve anything from subtle elegance to bold impact. And there you have it. With these steps, you can create stunning custom text that stands out and enhances your overall design on Canva. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips help unleash your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and design insights. Happy designing!